Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use the app of Ali Bank. So you can easily download Ali Bank's app from your Play Store and App Store. And its logo is just going to look like this with purple background and a white A looking icon, alright? So after you download it, just watch the video until the end to understand how to use this app. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now first, after downloading it, click on Ali to open it. Now, if you're using the app for the first time, it's going to take a couple of minutes to load. So give it a time for it to, load up properly. Now, once the app opens up over here, if you don't have an Ali Bank account, you can click on open account. And it's going to take you to the page over here. You want to choose which type of account you want, click and continue. And on the next step, which type of account you want, like interest checking, online saving, check the one and click on, and click on learn more. And it's going to take you to the page where you guys can know which facilities you're going to receive under that selection which you did, and you can click on open account to open it as well. All right, so I'm not going to teach you guys how you guys can do that. If I teach you that, this video is going to be really long. All right, so I just showed you the way on how you guys can open an account. So for those people who don't have account, you can open it through that way. And if you already have an account and you want to log in, at the top right corner you can see login, click on it. It's going to take you to the login page of Ali Bank. Now once you're in the login page over here, enter your username. After enter your login name, enter your password. When I say login name, I mean your username, alright? After you enter the password, click on submit. If the username and password you enter is correct, you should be able to log in into your Ali Bank account. And if you forgot your username or password, you can choose username or password and recover your username and password as well. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Ali Bank's mobile banking app. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.